put tap water and bottled water under my microscope, and what I found completely flipped what I thought I knew. One of these samples has living things swimming in a tan. It's not the one you'd guess, the bottled water. It was way worse than I ever imagined. First up, tap water. At 400 times magnification, I found exactly what city water should have. Trace minerals, some chlorine particles, and yeah, a few harmless microorganisms that slip past treatment. See that tiny spinning thing? It's a rotifer, totally normal and not dangerous. But here's the plot twist. I cultured both samples for 48 hours. The tap water grew fewer bacterial colonies. Now, look at this bottled water sample. See those colorful strands? Those are microplastics, literally pieces of the bottle dissolving into your water. At 1,000 times magnification, every single drop had 10 to 100 plastic particles. Your body can't break these down, they just build up. The truth is, both have issues, but that premium bottled water is literally plastic soup. Tap water is tested daily. Bottled water isn't. I'm definitely switching to filtered tap water after this. Let me know which water you're drinking and if this changed your mind.